present myself, Dr. Sangeeta Sharma, Associate Professor, PG Department of Chemistry, गवर्नमेंट डूंगर कॉलेज बीकानेर। आज हम एमएससी फाइनल फिजिकल स्पेशल के 9th A पेपर में आज हम सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ इंटरनल प्रेशर पढ़ेंगे। इन लिक्विड कोहेशन इज एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट because of intermolecular interaction is intense in liquid. Liquid can be looked upon as different from one another only in cohesion. Thus, it has to be characterized and measured. Early research has shown that all the solution phenomena can be explained on the basis of cohesion. All theories of liquids have failed to assess correctly the forces in a simple and elegant way, but internal pressure provides the estimate of magnitude of cohesion force. From thermodynamic equation of state P is equal to T delta P upon delta T at constant volume minus delta E upon delta V at constant temperature. This is equation 1, where delta E upon delta V at constant temperature is internal pressure corresponding to the A upon V square term of van der Waals equation and is 0 for an ideal gas having no intermolecular forces. In case of real gases, this term becomes appreciable, and in case of a liquid, it thus became far greater than the external pressure. The internal pressure is the resultant of the forces of attraction and repulsion between the molecule in a liquid. Cohesion creates a pressure within a liquid of 10 raised to 3 to 10 raised to 4 atmosphere. The important factor is that the internal pressure is sensitive to external pressure also. As the liquid is compressed more and more, internal pressure decreases and goes to large negative value, so that the repulsion force becomes predominant. Non-polar liquids have low internal pressure of the order of 2 to 3,000 atmosphere. Several scientists discussed the importance of internal pressure in liquids and modified van der Waals equation for liquids. A relation between the vapor pressure P and the internal pressure of a liquid from thermodynamic consideration as P is equal to C exponential minus pi I V upon 2 RT. This is equation number 2. This equation is valid for several polar and non-polar liquids. The advantage of internal pressure in calculating the transport properties is that it depends on molar volume. The internal pressure is closely determined the way in which interaction occurs in the system. Internal pressure and free volume, a new model. The average force acting on a molecule is the sum of internal pressure pi and the external pressure P times the area of the space of the cube. Vf is the free volume is equal to B RT upon pi I plus P D plus Vf 1 by 3 upon V whole square and whole cube, equation number 3. This equation is extremely important since it shows that the free volume of a molecule at a particular temperature and pressure depend only on the internal pressure of the liquid in which it is immersed. The free volume Vf is dependent on the type of packing in the liquid. The packing factor B is 1.78 for space center cube, 1.835 for body center cube and 2 for cubic packing. Another approach based on essentially the same properties of liquid is employed to derive equation Vf is equal to dRT upon P plus delta U upon delta V at constant temperature whole cube 1 upon V square. Equation number 4. As P is far too small compared with delta U upon delta V at constant temperature, then we have the equation number 5. Equation 3 and 4 are the only two equations involving the internal pressure of liquid. Equation 3 emphasizes the important role of internal pressure in relation to free volume of a liquid. Equation 4 or 5 gives an elegant method for determining the internal pressure of a liquid, provided this is another independent method of evaluating the free volume. Liquid composed of individual molecules, each moving in an average potential field due to its neighbors. The total free volume in a liquid as in a gas is shared by all of the molecules. The concept of free volume is a generalized aspect of the idea that each molecule is enclosed by its neighbors in cells. The free volume is broadly defined as the average volume in which the center of the molecule can move freely due to the surrounding molecules. The basis of the model is that just as a gas is assumed to consist of molecules moving about in an empty space, so a liquid may be regarded as made up of holes moving in the phase. The holes in a liquid probably occupy a volume that is greater than that occupied by a molecule. The molecules can be vibrate around their equilibrium position, and translational displacement can occur only when an empty place, that is a hole vacancy, is formed in their vicinity. Thermal fluctuations result in continuous formation of holes in the liquid, which is quickly occupied and new one is formed. The molecules move in the empty space in gases. Likewise, hole moves in a liquid. Free volume in liquid can be determined easily and accurately using ultrasonic velocity and viscosity parameters by equation number 6 and 7, where V is molar volume, U is ultrasonic velocity, gamma is the ratio of specific heat, R is the gas constant, neta is the viscosity, m is molecular weight, and k is a dimensionless constant having a value of 4.28 into 10 raised to 9 independent of temperature and the nature of the liquid system. The ultrasonic velocity u in a liquid is a function of molecular weight and viscosity neta. U is equal to k m minus 1 neta Vf 2 by 3, equation number 9, or we can write Vf is equal to m u upon k neta 3 by 2. Here three functional bulk parameter characterized free volume. From equation 5 and 10, pi I is equal to B RT Kn upon U half rho 2 by 3 m effective 7 by 6, equation number 11. There are uncertainties involved in the determining the internal pressure of a liquid by other methods, but equation 11 is reasonable and involving easily measurable quantities. The structure of the liquid is determined by strong repulsive from the liquid with the relatively weak attractive forces providing internal pressure which holds the liquid molecule together. The internal pressure is conditioned by attraction force, whereas the free volume is more sensitive to repulsive force. They together determine the entropy of the system uniquely. Internal pressure and viscosity. The formula of viscosity is neta is equal to neta 0 exponential B pi I, where neta is the viscosity of the solution, neta 0 is the viscosity of solvent, and B is computable constant. Equation 12 indicates the inner interaction occurring in solution which manifests itself on the magnitude of the internal pressure. They show that internal pressure is the basis of viscosity in solution. In other words, by a change brought about in internal pressure in the liquid medium, either by change in concentration or by a temperature effect, a corresponding qualitative variation, the viscosity of the medium is expected. The formula of internal pressure is given pi I is equal to B RT K neta upon U 1 by 2 rho 2 by 3 upon m effective 7 by 6. The increase in viscosity of a liquid can be thought of as due to greater difficulty experienced by molecules in moving away from one another sphere of influence against intermolecular attraction.